my gosh, sorry, I've got baby parrots everywhere. It's going to be absolute chaos. This is your first and only chance to show me you can behave in a live call, okay? Go back in. It's not magic, it's focus and order. So always updating and training our bots with our content. Pretty dashboards don't get results. Following your task list and implementing your to-do list is what gets you the results. And I think it will get to the point at which people will stop buying self-study courses altogether because of the fact that they can just go to AI and ask a question and be given the world's information from their ChatGPT. However, sat on the toilet, oh crap, I need to remember to email that person, oh crap, I need to remember to send that email and that invoice to somebody, like I'll just quickly chuck them in. So do not pick a service calendar type unless you're waxing somebody